Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I'm making wall clock for my kitchen. It looks like this. So for this I need round shape cardboard or you can use cake board. I will cut the size according to my clock. Like this, how I did. It's little bit hard to cut, so you can take help from adults. So I will put it like this, okay? So I'm not going to paste it right now. First we're going to paste different shapes of macaronis or you can say pasta. So take the white glue and spread the glue very properly. The reason we are using white glue is after getting dry, it will turn transparent. So I'm putting the glue like this on all the sides very properly. It's very fun putting the glue on the cake board or you can even use cardboard. You can even use cardboard because it's even thick like the cake board. So like this, we are going to put the glue like this. Spread the glue very properly. So as you can see, I've done putting the glue. Now I'm taking the jute. So I'm going to cut it from here and I'm going to wrap it over here. To give a neat look, I'm using the jute. Like this. We are going to put it over here. So I've put it very properly. Now let's put different shapes of macaronis or you can say pasta. So I'm putting this over here like this. Over here. I'm telling you again, the reason we are using white glue is after getting dry it will turn transparent. And the part you think the glue is not properly put in, please you should put a lot more. Like this. So now I'm taking the different shape of pasta and putting it like this. Over here. I think so one more can fit. Over here. So I'm going on the next row over here. I'm putting it in this order because I like it in this order. It's your choice in which order you want to put it. Like this, we are going to paste it. Like this. Now I'm placing the last one over here. Like this. I'm having very fun making this activity. So you should place it like this. Now let's put this one over here. Okay, let's put this here. like this. I have many shapes of macaronis, so I'm using all of them in my wall clock. Like this. I think so 4 will be enough over here. Let's go on the next row. Over here. Over here. Now let's put this over here. And this over here. So I think so here I can put little bit more because it got space. Like this. Now let's start pasting here. Like this. Let's put this over here. This over here. Even we can put one last over here. Like this. So now I'm going to use this to put it over here. I'm going to cover all its corners with my macaroni. Like this. Like this. So let's cover all its sides properly, like this. So after covering, it looks like this. Okay, the last one I'm putting right over here. Now I'm just going to put these small ones in this shape. I'm going to cover it like this. You can put it in any shape. Like this. I'm putting almost 5 of them in one row. So I've placed all of them like this. Now after getting dry, it looks like this as I told you. So I'm putting this aside. And now I'm putting this plastic sheet over here. Like this. I hope you don't mind. Fold your sleeves properly. So I'm placing it over here in the middle. And now take the golden spray. So its smell is not good. So keep it away from your nose. Like this, you should start to spray. And you should not put that much on one point. Like this. like this. So I'm picking it up very carefully. It looks very awesome to me. So I'm placing it over here. Now we are going to put the clock. So this is my clock I have. I'm going to place it battery like this. Okay, it's working, so I'm going to place it. So use the glue gun very carefully as every time I tell you. Like this. Like this. Now like this. So now, as you know that the glue gun gets dry quickly, I quickly placed it with our board. Like this. So it looks like this. It looks very beautiful for my kitchen. So all I've put the hanging thread like this. It gives a very neat look to me because I will love to put it in my kitchen. I hope you like my video. Stay connected.